Have you ever wondered how Japanese students can study for 10, 12, or even 14 hours a day during exam season without completely destroying their mental health? It is not because they have superhuman genetics, and it is definitely not just about raw willpower. Instead, it comes down to a set of deeply ingrained cultural frameworks and psychological triggers that turn exhausting work into an automated routine. Today, we are breaking down the 3 core Japanese study secrets that you can copy immediately to double your focus while cutting your mental fatigue in half. The first secret lies in a word you have probably heard but might misunderstand: ganbaru. In the West, we often view studying as a painful chore we must endure to get a grade, assuming that if we fail, we simply lack talent. But ganbaru completely flips the script. It means to persist through tough times with tenacity. In Japan, success is viewed as a muscle built strictly through effort rather than luck or innate brilliance. To maintain this daily persistence, Japanese students rely heavily on environmental design through juku, or cram schools. They rarely study alone in a bedroom filled with distractions. Instead, they place themselves in hyper-focused, quiet environments where everyone around them is working toward the exact same goal. You can copy this immediately by forcing yourself out of your room and into a local library, a quiet cafe, or a virtual co-working space. Peer pressure is the ultimate focus hack, and when everyone around you is grinding, your brain feels a social obligation to do the exact same thing. The second secret solves the biggest productivity killer of all: procrastination. Japanese culture heavily relies on kaizen, the philosophy of continuous, micro-improvements. When you look at a massive, daunting 4-hour study session, your brain gets overwhelmed, triggers anxiety, and drives you to pick up your phone. Japanese students bypass this friction by using the 1-minute kaizen rule. This means committing to doing just 1 single minute of work, whether that is reading 1 page, writing 1 sentence, or solving 1 equation, at the exact same time every single day. To apply this, pick your hardest subject and tell yourself you are only going to open the book and focus for 60 seconds. Because the barrier to entry is so incredibly low, your brain will not fight you, and once you actually start, momentum takes over and that single minute naturally turns into an hour of deep focus. The third secret is structural, coming straight from Japan's famous 5S organizational framework, specifically the concept of siri, which means sorting and eliminating. Physical clutter constantly competes for your brain's attention, which spikes your stress levels and drains your cognitive energy before you even read a single page. In Japanese study spaces, minimalism is king.